Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a countdown timer to your Shopify store in 2025. Now, countdown timers help you create the urgency for the flash sales, product drops, and limited time discounts. So, let's just quickly understand how you can do it exactly. So, first of all, you need to come here on shopify.com. Over here, you need to log in into your account if you haven't already. Here in the left hand side, simply click on the option of ads underneath apps. Now, simply just scroll down here on this page and click on the option of Shopify App Store. Now, once you are here on the Shopify App Store, simply use the search bar on the top and search for this particular app, which is Essential Countdown Timer. Now, there are some of the applications that do the same thing. So let me just give you those names too. So one of them is Hextom Timer Bar. The next one is Urgency Beer Timer. So you can also install these applications in your Shopify dashboard. So here, as you can see, we have Essential Countdown Timer installed successfully. Now, once the installation is successful, simply hover over to the left hand side where you can see the application that we have installed. Now, in the right hand section, it is going to show you the option of create a new timer. So simply click on the option of create a new timer. Then select what type of timer do you want to create. So let's say I want to create a landing page type of timer. After selecting it, it is going to show you this type of timer in front of you. So this is exactly what we want. In the left hand side, you can make changes into the button that is given over here. Like first of all, you need to give the timer name, then select what you want to add as title over here. Now, once you are done with it, simply click on the option of publish here on the top right hand corner of the screen, and this particular countdown timer will be published on your Shopify store. So this way you will be able to add a countdown timer to your Shopify store. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.